So I've been asked by a couple of friends, since you practice Swedish death cleaning, why do you decorate your home for the holidays? And my answer is Swedish death cleaning isn't about living a stark and sterile lifestyle. It is about decluttering your home and getting it ready for when you pass so you don't burden your family. But it's based on the premise that the things you keep are things that are of use to you and bring you joy. And decorating for Christmas brings me joy. And while I don't go overboard with the decorations like I did when I had the McMansion, I have pared my decorations down to things that mean something to me. So even though I no longer have the 9-foot Christmas tree, I still have all of the music themed decorations that we started purchasing early on in our relationship and that people have gifted us because we were having a hard time finding them. So they mean a lot to me. So I still have all of those ornaments. I just spread them across two smaller trees. And I still hang the stockings we purchased when we moved to our first home, and the matching tree skirt goes under the tree. And so while I no longer have the ginormous fireplace mantle that I had when I purchased this Christmas town behind me from Costco in 1999, I found a way to display it here in our downsized home in the same fashion. And when we moved to the McMansion, my mother started sending me a live Christmas wreath every year to hang over that big giant fireplace. The year that she passed, true to form, my wreath came delivered to the house 3 days before she went to get her wings. So I took all of those ornaments and ribbons off of that wreath, created an artificial wreath, and I hang that wreath on my front door every year as a reminder of my mother's last wreath to me. So basically, everything that I put out brings me joy, and just about everything has a story. And if I told you all the stories, this would be an hour-plus long video, so I will spare you that. But I will share something with you that is brand spanking new. Yes, I bought a brand spanking new gadget, and it is my remote controlled power outlet. And it is purchased because as I get older, I do not want to keep moving furniture and squatting down to plug and unplug trees and unplug, Christmas lights outside. So I have this remote controlled gadget that I just plug into the wall. I can plug whatever thing that I wanted in there, lights, Christmas tree, train, whatever it is you want to plug into it. And you can operate it with just a simple remote control, turn it on and off, and it works great. You're in bad weather, you can operate your outdoor lights from inside your home. So if you also practice Swedish death cleaning, if Christmas brings you joy, deck those halls. There's nothing wrong with it. And if you've made it this far with me, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments. Do you go all out for Christmas? Are you a minimalist? Are you somewhere in the middle?